techniques I just done called grasp the bird's tail. Now I will show you the mechanic how you move. You start off from the 7-star stance. By drop the elbow, you're rolling the energy back. Then you squat both arms down, left arm and left leg and right leg down. You straight the left knee, open the hips. Your body goes slightly to this side angle. And you turn your hips to the right side or corner of the house. You drop the left knee, you straight the right knee, your right elbow will stand up and toes will come up. Then you hook the toes, you squat both legs, 70% here, 30% here. Then you straight the left knee, 90% the front leg, and your palm open. And this is called grasp the tail of the bird. I'll do it one more time without talking. Now, I have Steve Henry So come help me to show the applications. For instance, Steve Henry So can grab my hands. All I do, just the grasp it, spiral. First movement, then sink, second movement, then move. He will fly out. Now, I can do a normal speed. Hey! Now, and second part of the grasp tail of the spiral is like this. For instance, if Steve Henry So punch this hand with this feet forward, or the rotate back. The hand, rotate back. Okay, rotate back and pull back. At the same time, my feet will go underneath him and lock his joints, lock his knee joint and ankle joint, and my hand, while my knee going down, my hand go down to his ear, and he will fall. Now, we do a regular, normal speed. We just finished the grasp the tail of bird. Next techniques will be single whip. Please practice this and come back. We'll teach you how to do the single whip. Thank you.